Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Botany. In this episode of Biome series, I would like to discuss on Tundra Biome. The tundra is a biome characterized by extremely cold temperatures, short growing season and low precipitation. The history of tundra is closely tied to Earth's climate history. They have expanded and contracted in response to ice ages, interglacial periods, and long term climate trends. The formation of tundra is primarily influenced by geographical location and climate. The tundra biome plays a crucial role in global ecosystem with unique species, ecosystem services, and climate regulation. Despite the harsh conditions, the tundra supports a variety of plant and animal species. Understanding the importance of the ecosystems is essential for conserving tundra and protecting its biodiversity. Contents of this video: tundra key features, tundra in Earth's geological history, Arctic and Alpine tundra distribution, importance of tundra biome, tundra plants and their adaptations, tundra animals and their adaptations, threats and conservation efforts with examples. The tundra is a biome characterized by extremely cold temperatures, short growing season and low precipitation. It is primarily found in the Arctic and Alpine regions of the world. The key features of the tundra includes the permafrost. The defining characteristic of the tundra is the permafrost, a layer of permanently frozen ground that can extend several hundred meters deep. This limits plant root growth and restricts nutrient cycling. The tundra receives relatively low precipitation, often in the form of snow. This can limit plant growth and water availability. The tundra experiences a brief summer, providing a limited window for plant growth. This has led to the evolution of plants with adaptations such as growing habits, deep root system, and ability to reproduce quickly. The vegetation is composed of mosses, lichens, grasses, and dwarf shrubs. The trees cannot survive due to the harsh conditions. The animals have the thick fur or feathers. They show hibernation or migration to escape the harsh winters. The appearance and extent of tundras have fluctuated significantly throughout Earth's geological history, primarily in response to changes in climate. During glacial periods, tundra expanded significantly as ice sheet advanced and covered large portions of the northern hemisphere. Tundra ecosystems spread southward, replacing forest and other biomes. This was particularly evident during the Pleistocene epoch, which lasted from about 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago. During warmer interglacial periods, tundra retreated northward as the temperatures rose. Forest and other biomes expanded, reducing the extent of tundra. However, even during the warmest period, some remnants of the tundra often persisted in high latitude and high altitude regions. Over millions of years, Earth's climate has undergone significant fluctuations. These changes have influenced the distribution and extent of tundras. For example, during the periods of global warming, tundra may have contracted or even disappeared altogether. Conversely, during periods of global cooling, tundras may have expanded significantly. The formation of tundra is primarily influenced by geographical location and climate. There are two types of tundra biomes, that is Arctic and Alpine. The Arctic tundra are located in high latitude land masses, that is above Arctic Circle, and these regions receive less direct sunlight and hence the climate is cold and permafrost is due to high latitude. And these biomes are located in Alaska, Canada, Russia, Greenland, Iceland, and Antarctica. Alpine tundra are located in high altitude regions, that is mountain tops. As the elevation increases, temperature decreases due to lower atmospheric pressure. These are found in Alaska, Canada, USA, Mexico, Finland, Norway, Russia, Sweden, Himalayan mountains, Mount Fuji, Mount Kilimanjaro, and Andes. The tundra biome plays a crucial role in the global ecosystem. The tundra plays a role in regulating global climate. The albedo effect, where the snow and ice reflect sunlight back into the space, helps to cool the planet. It plays a larger role in temperature regulation of the planet. As warm air rises from the tropical zone, it is cooled in the tundra, causing it to sink back down to the equator. This causes weather and air currents. The tundra regions play a crucial role in carbon storage. The permafrost in the tundra holds large amount of carbon. The tundra regions influence global hydrology. It is a source of fresh water as snow and ice melt into the rivers and lakes. These water bodies are essential for supporting life in the surrounding regions. They affect the water cycles and can impact weather patterns in other parts of the world. Tundra has a relatively low biodiversity compared to other biomes. Despite its extreme conditions, the tundra supports a diverse range of plant and animal species. Tundra provides a habitat for many migratory birds and animals. It is a winter home for many species of the birds. The mineral resources of the tundra includes oil and gas. Despite the harsh conditions, the tundra supports a variety of plant and animal species. The plants include lichens, mosses, shrubs, grasses, and forbs. The lichens are formed by the symbiotic relationship between a fungus and an alga. The mosses are small non-vascular plants forming dense mat to the ground. They are able to absorb and retain water, which is important in the dry tundra climate. The tundra shrubs are typically low growing to avoid cold winds and to absorb heat from the soil. The tundra grasses are perennial. They live for more than 2 years. And the forbs are the herbaceous plants that are not grasses or sedges. These are very few examples of the many plant species found in the tundra region. Plants in the tundra have evolved a variety of adaptations to survive in the harsh conditions. The plant adaptations in tundra includes physical adaptations, physiological adaptations, and reproductive adaptations. Many tundra plants grow close to the ground to avoid the cold winds and to absorb heat from the soil. The small leaves help to reduce water loss through transpiration, which is particularly important in the dry tundra climate. Some plants have succulent leaves that can store water for long periods of time. A waxy cuticle on the leaves helps to prevent water loss. Hairy leaves can help to trap heat and protect the plants from the cold winds. The plants can adjust their photosynthesis rate to adapt to the changing light conditions. Plants have developed mechanisms to tolerate freezing temperatures, such as production of anti-freezing proteins. Many plants have a short growing season, so they must grow quickly and to take advantage of the brief summer. Some plants delay their flowering until the warmest part of the summer to increase their chances of successful reproduction. Some plants can reproduce asexually, allowing them to spread quickly and colonize new areas. Plants produce seeds that can remain dormant for long periods of time, allowing them to survive harsh conditions and germinate when the conditions improve. These adaptations enable tundra plants to thrive in the challenging conditions of this biome. The tundra animal includes polar bears, which are large predators which are well adapted to the tundra's cold climate and rely on sea ice for hunting. Arctic foxes are small mammals which have thick fur and large paws that help them to survive in the cold. Caribou are the large herbivores which migrate to the tundra during the summer to graze on the grasses and lichens. Reindeer is similar to the caribou. The reindeers are large herbivores that migrate to the tundra. Snowy owls are the large birds which have white plumage that helps them to camouflage in the snow. Arctic terns are small seabirds which migrate thousands of miles between Arctic and Antarctic. Ptarmigans are the grouse which have white plumage in winter that help them to blend in the snow. The walruses are the large marine mammals spend much of their time on ice floes in the tundra. Several species of seals such as ring seals and bearded seals are found in the tundra. These are just a few examples of the many animal species found in the tundra. Each species has unique adaptation that allow it to thrive in this harsh environment. Animals that live in the tundra have evolved a variety of adaptations to survive in the harsh conditions. The adaptations includes physical adaptations, behavioral adaptations, and physiological adaptations. Many tundra animals have thick fur coat to insulate them from the cold. Some animals have small bodies to reduce heat loss. Some animals have white fur that helps them to camouflage in the snow. Large paws help animals to distribute their weight and prevent them from sinking into the snow. Some animals hibernate during the winter to conserve energy. Some animals migrate to warmer regions during the winter. Animals often live in groups to provide warmth and protection. Animals have high metabolic rates to generate heat. Some animals have counter-current heat exchange systems that help to conserve the heat. Animals have adaptations to reduce the water loss such as concentrated urine and thick skin. The tundra biome faces numerous challenges. Rising temperatures are causing permafrost to thaw, leading to the release of stored greenhouse gases. This contributes to further climate change, creating a positive feedback loop. Additionally, change in the precipitation pattern and sea ice extent are also impacting the tundra. The tundra is rich in oil and gas resources, and exploration and extraction activities can disrupt ecosystems and pollute the environment. Mining operations can cause habitat destruction, pollution, and erosion in the tundra. The conservation efforts include the establishing protected areas that can help to conserve the tundra ecosystems and their biodiversity. Then promoting sustainable practices in mining and oil and gas exploration can minimize their negative impact on the tundra. Reducing the greenhouse gas emissions through the policies and technologies that can help to mitigate the climate change and protect the tundra. Many organizations are working to protect the tundra biome. Some of the examples includes Arctic National Wildlife Refuge. This is a large protected area in Alaska. Wrangel Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Russia, and this is known for its diverse wildlife. Svalbard National Park is located in Norway. This protects vast area of Arctic tundra. The Arctic Monitoring and Assessment Program conducts research and monitoring to assess the impacts of climate change and other threats in Arctic region. Tundra Ecosystem Research Network is a network of researchers studying tundra ecosystems and their response to climate change. Some of the international bodies include Arctic Council. This is a governmental forum works to promote sustainable development and environmental protection in the Arctic region. The Convention on Biological Diversity, it is a international treaty aims to conserve biodiversity and promote sustainable development.